Well, hi and welcome. Here I am Palak Singh and you're watching the special news broadcasting. A little late I'm to shoot this video. It is about Narayan Rane, BJP's union minister, very important face in BJP, who in the orders of Uddhav Thackeray, under the order of Uddhav Thackeray, the Nasik police has arrested him on Tuesday, 24th of August. And yes, still he has also get bail on 25th of August because he has nothing did so big that the police will keep him in jail. So what he has only did that he said that on 15th August in an interaction Uddhav Thackeray in a public, he forget that in which year India get independence. Like on this 15th August, when he was addressing something, Uddhav Thackeray, I didn't know so many things about that, but he forgetted that in which year India gets independence. So in an interaction with Mahad at Jan Ashirwad Yatra on Monday, Narayan Rane said that if I'll be with Uddhav Thackeray at that place, then I will give him a slap. दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ नारायण राणे कि अगर मैं वहां पे होता तो मैं उद्धव ठाकरे को एक स्लैप में एक थप्पड़ देता, इस तरीके से उनका स्टेटमेंट था. And after that, the Nasik police arrested them, and on the next day, he gets bail, interim relief. He gets bail, and I will tell the fact. One thing I also disagree, and one thing I also agree. That little I'm disagreeing that a union minister, BJP's very important leader, does not say to a chief minister, "I will slap you." But okay, that in this thing I disagree. But the question he has raised is, if you remember, Narayan Rane and Nitesh Rane, his son, they had speak in September 2020 about Sushant Singh Rajput case. They had exposed so many things. Nitesh Rane, Narayan Rane, the person who told that there was one minister who was present at the death spot of Sushant Singh Rajput at his home, at his room, at his house. So this is the reason why I'm making this video. And one more thing I would like to add: Union Minister Narayan Rane remarked and he also allegates Uddhav Thackeray on that. Maharashtra has, as far as even till now, Maharashtra is recording so many COVID cases as well as Delta Plus. There's 1,57,000 persons died in Maharashtra due to him, Uddhav Thackeray. There's no solution. There are areas of no vaccine, no doctors, and no staff. There's a dire situation in Maharashtra. As far as health is concerned, he should speak for keeping a secretary near him. He should also speak on this topic, and he also made a statement in Marathi, which I have seen the tweet by ANI Media on Twitter. I have seen the tweet. If I have the screenshot, I will put it right here, that I have done nothing wrong. The Shiv Sena enjoy the power, so they arrested me. Maharashtra is number one in the COVID. During the COVID, they didn't take any action. So Sushant Singh Rajput was murdered. Disha Salian was raped and killed. Yet the perpetrator roam freely. Union Minister Narayan Rane has also said that Uddhav Thackeray is still quiet on the Sushant Singh Rajput murder mystery because, of course, Uddhav Thackeray also knows. And one thing I totally agree with Narayan Rane, it is that Uddhav Thackeray is really misusing the power of being a chief minister. He has arrested under his guidance. The police has arrested, the Nasik police has arrested Narayan Rane, and under Uddhav Thackeray's guidance on 4th of November 2020, the Raigad police has arrested Arnab Goswami. So the main lead is sitting in this home, in the home, and telling to the different areas of the police station of the different cities of Maharashtra, telling that arrest this man. So totally is misusing the power of being a chief minister. Narayan Rane has also done a mistake, but I think he will apologize and more action will he take. And one more thing, I will like to put it right here, a little clip of where Shiv Sena's chief, very naughty chief called Sanjay Raut, saying that just posted a picture the day he gets bail, and when Uddhav Thackeray makes statement against Narayan Rane, and when Narayan Rane makes statement against Uddhav Thackeray, then he posted a picture saying that the picture was, and the caption was today's picture. This was the caption, and the picture was a tiger eating a bird. So he means that the tiger, the tiger who was in the photo, it is Uddhav Thackeray, and the bird who was in the photo where the tiger was eating, it was Narayan Rane. So what he is trying to say, I would like to say, Sanjay Raut, please speak clearly. I'm sure that Uddhav Thackeray will not let you arrest, but because you are his right hand. But please explain little in detail, because the person who even didn't know that who take Sanjeevani for Lakshman, what will he say? What will he explain about politics? Thank you so much for watching. Any update by Uddhav Thackeray or by Narayan Rane or by BJP and Shiv Sena, I'll make the video. Thank you so much for watching.